Hey, ladies and gentlemen, you got your girl Sabrina right here. And I am super excited about my new school called You Deserve to Win, ladies and gentlemen. And let me tell you a little about myself first. I am a wife, a mother, and lifestyle architect, ladies and gentlemen. And I simply help people plan, develop, and prosper from their lifestyle, ladies and gentlemen. You know, it wasn't that long ago that I was just a stripper, all right? Yes, a dancer. And I actually manifested several different businesses until six-figure businesses straight from home. Yes, I said it. I said I manifested six different businesses earning six figures from the comfort of my very own home, ladies and gentlemen. And so I simply use these techniques that I'm going to teach you in my school called You Deserve to Win. And I named the school You Deserve to Win because I truly believe that you deserve to win. When I was in search for something, when I was in search to find my way out, no one was there to help me. So I said, you know what? When I help myself, when I get myself together because I believe I deserve to win, that I deserve to win, that I'm going to learn, do, and then teach all of my friends and family who want to learn how to manifest their dreams, ladies and gentlemen. And so this school is going to teach you 4 steps that I use to manifest my dream. I manifested my dream husband. I manifested my dream career. I manifested my dream dog. His name is Cash. I manifested 2 brand new dream cars, ladies and gentlemen. And so I just want you to know that these techniques work, all right? And so what you're going to do is that you're going to put your name, phone number, and email in the box, and then you're going to receive the course, ladies and gentlemen. Please do the course. Take it very seriously. This is your life. I believe you deserve to win, but you have to know that you deserve to win. All right? So I will see you guys on the inside. Bye-bye now.